Magandang hapon po ng February 8, 2024 Thursday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng February 8, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, February 8, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for February 8, 2024, Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 46 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 5.9 million pesos for February 8, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for February 8, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.